Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. Today is Thursday, which means it's time for another Thrift Store Thursday, and I am very excited to share with you some of the things that I've brought home this week. So I found a lot of dishes this week. I was trying not to, very hard, but everything I looked at I was like, oh I love that, oh I love that, oh I love that. So yeah, I ended up with a lot of dishes, but that's alright. So, I'm not quite sure where to begin. I'm just going to jump in and just kind of work my way across the table here, I think. As you can see, I'm in a different spot today. I'm normally in my kitchen, but I'm in the middle of redoing a side table in there right now. So now I'm in my dining room. I'm not sure how this will work out, but we'll give it a shot. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So the first thing I picked up was $1.99. And it's this little globe. Isn't he adorable? He's just so cute. I thought he was adorable. I had to pick him up. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this, but I figure I could use it in some sort of display somehow, sometime. He rattles a little bit too. But anyways, I love maps, like vintage maps and that sort of thing. I actually have a map that's framed on my husband's dresser in his room. So I figured this little guy can come in handy somewhere eventually, and I wasn't going to pass him up. I thought he was adorable. So, plus I love miniatures, and this guy's adorable. So, I thought he was worth bringing home. The next thing I picked up was a few small dishes. These are like saucer size, but they don't have like the little indentation for the actual cup. And this first one I picked up was 99 cents. And hopefully you'll be able to see this. I don't know if you can see right there. It's just mostly white. It's got some detailing along the outside. And then it's got this spray of flowers at the top that are like limey green and pale pink. And I just think it is just so beautiful. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. It's a nice little size for like putting in maybe my cubbies in my kitchen, or to use as a little catch-all tray or something like that. And it's just so beautiful. I just love it so much that I couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't pass it up. It doesn't have any markings on it at all. And it seems like it's in relatively good shape, but to me it seems rather old and frail, so I just thought that was just so cool. Then I picked up another stack of plates, and these are all the same, and there's 3 of them. They were 99 cents each, but it was green tag sale this week at the Goodwill, so it was 75% off, so I don't know what the math is on that, but they ended up being very cheap, and I really loved these plates. I love the scalloping on the outside. Is such, can you see that? I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. I can never tell. It's so bright in here. But yeah, I just think it is so gorgeous. And then of course the print on it itself is gorgeous. It's once again various green colors, and it's definitely got that lime green color in it that I love so much with the pale pink. I just think it is gorgeous. So there was 3 of these, and they are from Austria. It says MZ Austria on it, and it's got some sort of emblem. But yeah, I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. And so I think I actually will end up probably like hanging these on a wall or something, like in the bathroom or the bathroom downstairs, or maybe even my bedroom. I don't know for sure, but I just think they're so gorgeous. The shape of them, so pretty, and the coloring on them is so gorgeous that I don't want to just like use it as a stack of plates, if that makes sense. So I will most likely be hanging those on the wall somewhere, at least for like the springtime or something, if I can find the perfect little place. I'm thinking like around the mirror, if I could find, if there would have been one more, that would have been perfect, because then I'd have 2 on each side of a mirror. I have a mirror in my dining room here off to the side, and I think that would look really pretty around that. Because you know what? What is more farmhouse than plates hanging on the wall? And I don't even have any. Well, I do have 3 over here, but those have been there for so long that I don't even see them anymore. If you know what I mean. Are you like that in your house sometimes too? You just don't see things anymore because it's been there for so long? Yeah, that's how those plates are. Maybe I should just switch out those every now and then. That's a good idea. Alright, well anyways, moving on to the next item. This one was very exciting for me because if you remember last week, I found an Ironstone plate that were very large. Went back this week and I found one more for the same price, $1.99. And these are those big like charger size ones that I think are so cool. And this again is the same thing as last week's one, as in the fact that they are the Federalist Ironstone. So absolutely love that. So now I have 3 of these, which I think is super cool, and I'm very excited about that. This next item, I just had to have. It was $1.99, and it is this white crock. So typically I'm not into crocks that much. I know some people really are into them, but I just haven't really in the past gravitated towards them. So anyways, when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it because I loved its, you know, very simple design. It's just got that simple rim at the top. I love it. I absolutely love it. This would be so much fun to put like a topiary in or something like that. Did I say it was only $1.99? I can't remember. But anyways, saw this, absolutely had to have this right away. And what is more farmhouse than, I mean, a basic white crock? Oh, perfect. Perfection. So I love this so much. I cannot wait to use this. I do not know how I'm going to use it. But I mean, think of, you could put flowers in this. You could, I'm thinking like maybe I'll use it to like put rolling pins in or something, or wooden spoons. I don't really know, but, or a plant of some sort, or an arrangement of flowers. I don't know, so many things you can use this for. Or like a whole bunch of candles, like just to like pillar candles. Just pluck them all in there, and then it's like a little instant display. I love it. So anyways, I thought that was a really good find. Alright, so moving on to the next thing. This item, I know they used to sell it at Target because I almost bought it at Target like every single time I went when they had them in the store. And the last time I saw them in the store, they had them off for like 75% off. And it was still like $6 or something like that. And I'm like, oh, I don't need it. I'm not going to buy it. So I passed it up. Well, lo and behold, I went to the thrift store and it was on the shelf. And I picked it up and put it in my cart so fast. There was no hesitation. And it is this print right here. Oh, I just love it so much. It is by Claud Pearson. And you may remember this. It's just like a cute little house. And then it's got this little Frenchy bulldog down in the front. I just love it so much. I plan to hang this in my studio space downstairs where I do all my crafting and that sort of thing. I want to redo the shelves down there. So this will be going on that shelf. I'm so excited. Oh, I just love it so much. I love it. I think it's adorable. Alright, so this next item I just thought was so adorable. And to me it looks like pewter. I'm not sure if it is for sure pewter or not. But you see that? It doesn't say pewter on it anywhere, but it does say Leonard? I can't tell. I'm going to start wearing my glasses when I have these days, or get my magnifying glass out or something, because this is ridiculous. Anyways, Leonard. I believe it says Leonard. Anyways, it was $2.99. I loved the shape of it. I thought it was super cool. It's just like a little creamer, I believe. It still has the tape on it. I haven't taken it off. But I love the little finial on the top, if you see that. And then its little handle. It's got this little fluting on the end of the handle, the tip of the handle. I just thought it was so cute. Now, you all know how much I love my silver that's tarnished. And for some reason or another, the next best thing to me is pewter. So I am very excited about this. Yeah, I think I need to start making more of a collection of this sort of thing because I really like it also. And I like the fact that it really doesn't tarnish very much, which is awesome. But yeah, I just don't have very many pieces of it. So I was not going to pass this guy up. I just thought he was adorable, and he absolutely had to come home with me. Alright, so this next item, the next 3 items actually, they're kind of a set. We're $1.99 each. But it was a yellow take sale, so I don't know what that makes them be. Again, math, not my strong suit. But anyways, I picked up 3 of these little guys right here, and they say popcorn on them. I love popcorn, but that is not why I bought these. They're like little popcorn bowls or whatever. I think they're adorable. They would be really cute if you had like a movie night or something like that. But the reason I bought these is because if I turned them around, they're plain on the other side, and they would make perfect little planters. Yeah. So they had 3 of them, So of course I picked all 3 of them up, and I just am so excited because I'm always on the lookout for glazed ceramic pots that are white, and it's very hard to find. And these are like the perfect size for a little potted plant. And I am so excited about that. So now, I mean, I can use them 2 ways. I can use them for a popcorn bowl, or I can use them to put plants in. So I am so excited. Love the fact that there's 3 of them, so I can use them all together, or I can spread them around the house. But I was so excited about that find. Oh, I just love those so much. So thought those were super cool. And I can't wait to use those. So now I feel like I need to go to the store and buy 3 little plants to put them in. In my mind, I see geraniums in them. Hot pink, or variegated pink geraniums, or like red geraniums. I don't know why. But I think they need some geraniums in them, and I need to put them in my kitchen windowsill, all lined up in a little row, and I think it would look adorable. So I'm very excited about that. So this week I actually found some artwork, which is not something I normally find very often. And this is just a print. It was $2.99, and look how lovely that is. Little cherries. I think they're so adorable. So I don't know if this is something somebody actually bought like this, or if it's something somebody actually framed. Not crazy about the color of the frame, so that will be getting a DIY, but I absolutely love the cherry print, which is super cool. Yeah, and it's definitely, it looks like a vintage botanical print, which is awesome. So I will be using this most likely in my kitchen somewhere, somehow, because I'm doing reds in there right now. So this will be perfect once I get the frame painted up. So I'm excited to get started on that. The other frame that I got I thought was really super cool. This one was $4.99, but it was also a yellow tag. So it was 75% off, and it looks like this. And I think it is super cool. It holds, I don't know, like the small size photos like you get with your kids' packages at school, the little school packages. So it has 2 of those, but I really loved this like beadboard or beading look on the side. But look at that. And then I love that it has like the little crown molding on the top and the bottom. I thought that was really neat. But then I realized that it actually opened up. So it opens up like this on either side, and then inside you get a 5x7. So I think this is super cool. I bought it to give it a makeover, of course. I'll most likely be painting it white. But yeah, I just think it is so cute. I love the details on it, and I am actually don't have a whole lot of like frames for like pictures. I'm like the worst mother ever because I don't have like pictures of my kids up all over the house. I don't know why I don't. I just don't. And it's just one of those things that I've never done. I mean, I have a few of them here and there downstairs. We have like a hallway that's got like pictures of like the family and stuff. But yeah, I've never been one to like frame pictures of my kids and put them on the walls. And I think I'm probably like the only one that doesn't do that. So I figured, you know what? I need a picture frame. I need to put some pictures of my kids somewhere in my house. So I'm thinking I'm going to redo this and put it down in my entertainment center around my TV, and I think it will look really nice in there. So excited to get started on that makeover as well. So I only have one more thing left to show you, and this one, oh you guys, is amazing. It is not vintage. It is by the Cordon Bleu company, I believe. Yeah, Cordon Bleu it says. Made in China. It was only $3.99, and it is this soup tureen. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. It still has the tape on it. It did not come with the spoon at all, but I love the classic shape of this tureen. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to add it to my collection. I may have to get rid of some other tureens because I'm getting too many of them at this point. But I love this one because of its very classic shape, and it's in perfect condition, and I cannot understand why they only marked it for $3.99. It's only missing the spoon. And I don't even know if people actually use the spoons that go in these. I don't know. I never care for the spoons. I always take them out. But anyways, I don't know. I thought it was awesome. It was $3.99, which is an awesome price. So I was super excited about this. And of course, it had to come home with me. Sadly, that was the last item that I had to share with you today. a great haul, right? Oh, I am so excited about everything that I brought home. I love it when I can go to the thrift store and buy some things that I can use like right away, and buy some things that I get to like work on and make pretty. So I love it when there's a good combo of that, and today was a good thing. I got 2 makeover items and a decorative item I can use right away, and then the rest of it I can just scatter around the house and it'll look perfect wherever I put it because it works with my decor theme, which is awesome. Alright, so now it is time for you to let me know down in the comments what you found this past week that has you excited. I would love to know what your score of the week is. That is so much fun. Like, I don't know that I could pick a score of the week this week for myself because I like so much of what I brought home. So that's always just a wonderful dilemma, right? So anyways, I'm going into chatting mode again. Anyways, I will stop. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever I put a new video up on my channel. I appreciate you stopping by today and hanging out with me, and I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.